Hi, in today's video we'll look at how we can customize the AV modules that we have included in our project in the previous video. So today we'll look at the source, which is our DVD or our Blu-ray player, and what we can do is to right click on the object and we click edit driver. This will bring us to our source code, which is the internal workings of this driver. Now we can customize any device that's running on IR or even RS-232 to run in our ControlUI environment. In today's example, we'll look at the IR part, how we can actually change the IR signals. So if we click on the IR icon here on the top, it will bring us to the IR page, and in this page we have the generic buttons that we find on most devices. The number 0 to 9, OK, pause, play, power. These are very important ones, as well as source select, and also the SP commands 1 to 15. Now these SP commands are customizable in the fact that they can be used to indicate different kinds of functions based on your specific type and model. So looking at our remote control, perhaps we want to have the power. So we double click on power, it will bring us to the IR capture page. So important point is not to change the name in this IR data capture. We can go ahead and capture our waveform, and the IP address here refers to the IP address of your controller that is connected to the network now, and it needs to be power on. So for this demo, I don't have a controller with me, so I just start capture. And if we have a controller, we need to point our remote control to the controller receiver port, and it would show us the waveform once it's been captured properly. Now to test that, you can click on the test button, and depending on which IR port your device is connected to the controller, we can test it again with the same IP address of the controller. We can do this for the rest of the buttons. And for the SP buttons, of course, it's the naming convention can be changed, and this can be changed by going to the text icon on the top here. We click on text. We have, say, for example, subtitles, and maybe we want audio. So by clicking on these two, the default part, we have added text that is specific to SP1. Now this text SP1 refers to the IR data in SP1 IRD SP1. So this can be used to capture the subtitle button, and SP2 can be used to capture the audio button. So in order to test our results, what we can do, we can start our simulation. Okay, once it's loaded, we can continue to add we can test this. Click on refresh and download the new updates. Next, we can see that the source has been added to our movie room, and we click on the source. It will show subtitles and audio that we just done. So So this refers to SP1, this refers to SP2. So again, for the different devices here, for example, TV, projector, AV receiver, all this can be done the same way by right clicking, edit driver, and we can edit the necessary text mentioned here. So even the name of the device, for example, if you don't like the name TV, you can change it to Samsung TV, and we will display here as Samsung TV instead of TV. So these numbers here refer to the power on and power off time, which is indicated in seconds. So these are default values, of course we can change them accordingly and to add more customization to your modules. So in terms of IR, make sure to capture all of the necessary commands that you want to use for your device before testing them out on your ControlUI environment. So this is just a basic run through on how we can do so with our AV devices. So even for TV, we can have certain presets for certain channels. For example, we can include a channel name like HBO, and we can choose a channel icon. Now this icon will be discussed in another video on how we can customize our ControlUI to have a specific picture or different background pictures and colors. And the channel, we can type in the channel that we want for a specific cable network, and this will also help us to see how the channel will be shown. So we can wait for the UI to load up. After it's loaded up, we can do our testing. We click on refresh. And it's finished downloading. You can see the Samsung TV has been changed. Once it's changed, we can see HBO being shown on the top. So this blank area is actually used to have our channels. How many channels can we have? We can have up to 15 channels. So this is how we can customize different devices in ControlUI environment to suit your needs. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.